Hi, my name is Steven. I'm going to tell you a story. Once my friend Robert came to visit us and brought us toys in his bag. One of the toys was a camcorder, which I liked very much. So Robert gave me and Sarah this camcorder to play with. We went for a walk and started filming everything: fashion, bird, a neighbor, and cyclist. We saw a man in a black jacket with and a tiger on his back. We pretended to film him, but he was angry and began to shout, and so we ran away. The next day I was filming the street when a car passed by and some men tried to take Robert's camera. I called jump out just in time. After that, Robert gave me a real camera. I was so excited. One day we went to the shop where our father worked and I made my first film. I was filming the shop when the man in the black jacket bumped into a woman and the other man stole something from her purse. My dad called the police and they arrested the thief, but the man in the black jacket ran away. The next day, Sarah, Robert and I went to the amusement park. Sarah and Robert went to the big wheel and I started filming them. It was so beautiful, but then suddenly the wheel stopped and someone covered my eyes and stole the camera. Robert called the police, but I couldn't tell them who the thief was because I didn't see him. So we came home and turned on the TV. There was a report about the accident and the wheel, and we noticed the man in the black jacket. We understood that it was him who stole the camera. We phoned the police and they arrested him, give us the camera. Soon after that, our family went to the airport to see Robert off. When we were filming the planes, we saw an emergency landing. This film was very popular with the TV reporters, and so they invited us for the interview. We became superstars. Sometime later, we were sitting at home where postman brought us a parcel with an amazing yellow camera.